We are at the Paris Motor Show, and in a few minutes we're going to present the world premiere of 500X. After the big success of 500 and 500L that both represent the best seller in their respective segment, we are about to launch the new frontier of 500 family, which integrate the iconicity of the old 500, adding substance and real excitement to our customer. This car will be for upgraders that will look for a bigger car starting from A and B segment, and will be for downgraders which looks a more compact solution starting from a bigger car. And in order to satisfy at maximum our client, 500X has two different souls. One which is more urban and the classical, which is oriented to the C segment customer, and another one with a more outdoor and countryside appearance, which will be more suitable for the people looking for leisure and weekend outside the city.